Hello friends, it's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia, and my name is Rafi Yakub, and in today's video you are going to learn how to set your Google browser as a default step-by-step tutorial without any stress. Well, before we dive deep into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel, remember to click on the subscribe, turn on notification bells, so each time I post content about Google stuff, you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how to make your Google a default browser. So let's begin. So the first thing you want to do right here is to come to your window icon right here. So when you click on the window icon, then you have to look for settings. Then right here, you have to go look for apps. Then take you right here. So the next thing you want to do, you can make use of find a settings right here, or better still, you just have to navigate to default apps. Then you have to scroll down from the point here. You have to scroll down. Then at this point here, you have to choose a default. So right here, make sure you select Google Chrome. Then it's going to be right here, okay? So each time you are trying to click on the link or whatever you want to do online from the particular PC, it will automatically prompt you and it will automatically open up in your Google Chrome. So this is how you can make a Google Chrome default browser step-by-step tutorial using Windows 10. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you've got value for this video, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.